Like, you guys literally will not believe what a fail this is. I'm taking my jacket off, I'm so frustrated. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have this full face that I did using some brand new products that I got from PR. I got a bunch of stuff from Becca, as well as from Pur Cosmetics, Pure Minerals, Pure. So I'm going to show you how I achieved this look, what products worked for me, what products didn't work for me. If you enjoy makeup tutorials and product reviews, this would be the perfect time to subscribe. I'll wait for you to do it. You subscribed yet? Okay, cool. Without further ado, I don't want to ramble too much because this is like kind of a long video. If you want to see how I got this look using these brand new products, then keep on watching. I'm really excited because I got some PR from two brands that I am such a fan of, and I'm so humbled that I got sent some stuff. So I wanted to create a look using these products. So I have two PR boxes in front of me. One is from Pur Cosmetics. It's this guy over here. Let me not show you my address. And then the other one is the brand new Becca Ocean Jewels collection that I received as well. The packaging is amazing. As you can see, there's fingerprints on it already, so I have touched it. But I'm just going to show you what the PR box looks like. So from Becca, we have a Becca eyeshadow palette, we have a glass, and then we have a highlighter palette as well. So I'm going to be using all three of these products in this tutorial. And for Pur Cosmetics, we have some more products which I'm super keen to get into. This is just kind of a mishmash of products from Pur. So this is the PI box, and then inside here we have a whole bunch of goodies. So I'm going to start with the Pure products. The first product is the Cameo Contour Dual-Ended Contour Foundation. So it's a double-ended foundation stick. It looks like it actually might be my shade. And then on the other side, looks like it's extremely bright, but it might be a good brightening color for me. We'll see. The next product that I received is a blue agave mask, and this is a mask, like a 15-minute mask, and it peels off, and then you can rinse it right afterwards. I absolutely love masking, so I'm really looking forward to using this peel off mask. This is right up my alley. So then the next product is a eye polish. It says it's a eye base and top coat with silicone application tool. I have seen Raw Beauty Christy use this, and she kind of compared this product to what is it, the Stila Magnificent Metals glitters. It has like this little net, and that's how you pull your color out, and it's super pigmented. Look at that. Wow. So the next product I have is the Pure Minerals pressed makeup with SPF 15 in it. Now again, this color is probably too light, as you can see, but it might be good for underneath the eyes. We will see as we apply. Okay, and then we have some more products, which are the Volume Vixen Mascara, the Fully Charged Mascara, and then I have an Envious Brow 4-in-1 Brow Essential, and then here we have the Disappearing Ink 4-in-1 Concealer Pen, and then it's like a twist up knob concealer. And then the last thing we have is a beauty blender. I think this one got like squished up in the packaging because it's all like a weird angle. So starting off, my face has been prepped. I'm going to go in with the Fenty Beauty Primer because I can trust this always. So now that I'm done with the primer, I'm going to go in with the contour foundation and see how this works.
Turn it on. We about to turn it on. about to turn it on, 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 turn it on. About to turn it on, about to turn it on. Turn it on. About to turn it on. Turn it on. Turn it.
Do you see that? I know I have a breakout there. You can see how it completely lifted everywhere. Okay, so I fixed my face and I just went in with products that I trust, which is Huda Beauty mixed with the Allego Pro Conceal, the Fenty Beauty matte stick as well. And I ended up using the Pure Cosmetics concealer with a little bit of Tarte Shape Tape, and it worked perfectly fine. So I think my complexion is looking more like I would actually wear my skin, you know? And so I'm gonna move on. So we're going to move straight into this. We're going to move straight into this Becca package. I mean, how gorgeous is this thing? This is the Ocean Jewels collection that I already showed you. So pulling out this highlighter, this is what the palette looks like, and it looks so gorgeous. So I'm going to actually use all of my fingers to swatch this. Look at how gorgeous. Wow, wow. Oh my gosh, I can't even, I don't even know what to do, it's so pretty. Wow, they're all like these duochrome highlighters, so pretty. What the heck, what the heck, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh my god, choose, so stressed. Okay, I'm taking a tiny little brush and I'm going to go in first with this golden color. Oh my gosh, just, oh, Becca highlighters are just honestly everything. I'm using a small shadow brush just because I want control. So then I'm going to take a little bit of this rose gold color and I'm going to layer it.
We about to turn it on. Turn it. We about to turn it on. Turn it. We about to turn it on. 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 About to turn it on. We about to turn it on.
Alright you guys, and this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. We had a little bit of issues, obviously, with the foundation and that kind of thing. But in terms of the Becca products, I love every single one of them. The gloss is gorgeous. I just put it over a CoverGirl glass, CoverGirl lipstick, and it just like stayed so perfectly, and it really just like, I don't even know what to call this. I did a very, very, very soft cut crease. And I love as well the, what was it called, that eye base from Pur Cosmetics is awesome. You could probably wear it alone, but obviously I wanted to try out some more products, so that's what I did. I think this is such a pretty look for event, for date night, for, gosh, like, I don't even know. I feel like I want to go, like, if I was going to do BeautyCon or something, I think I'd wear a look like this because the eyes are pretty. There's still a little bit of technique as well, but it's something that's like very soft as well. So I love this look. Let me know down below which products that you liked. I think it was a bit of a fail for me for that Cameo foundation, because I think that if they had a deeper complexion, it looks like it blends out really beautifully for highlight and contour, but definitely not for like an overall foundation. It just completely lifted, so I had to go to my go-to products. I have so many products that I got in from PR, so I definitely have a lot of videos, a bunch of videos that I need to film, and I want to film a PR haul as well, because it's like I don't even know how to get all this product into 1 or 2 or even 5 videos. But guys, thank you so much. The reason that I receive these products is because of you guys, that you're supporting me, that you're watching my videos, that you're commenting. It just means a lot. It means a lot that like I would get recognized by brands like this, even though I'm a micro influencer. You know, I've said it before, I'll say it again. It is so humbling and so encouraging and just really exciting. So thank you so much for being on this journey with me. I will see you guys in the next video. Subscribe if you have not already. Turn that notification bell on. Thumbs this video up. Gosh, I think that's all the things. You know what the things are that you need to do. So do them all, please, because it really helps me out, helps my channel grow, helps me know that you like the content that I'm creating. I will see you guys in the next video, and thank you so much for watching. God bless you, and remember, don't let anybody dim your glitter. Love you guys so much. Mwah. Bye.